Boy, we're going to be getting the Powell reaction to see how the market wants to digest Powell. So currently, the market's down about 0.25%. We did receive a bunch of new data this morning. We got the initial claims. We got, I believe, import price index. We got a lot of different pieces of data. So let's go over a couple of those things here. U.S. jobless claims unchanged at 262K. The survey was 245, so the estimate was 245, and we came in at 262. The 3-week continuing claims were up, though, meaning that more people are filing for unemployment benefits, which is less people in the workforce, which could lead to the Fed being able to say, oh, there's not as much, there's not much more that we need to do with rate hikes. Now, we have commercial retail sales were up 3% versus negative 0.2, which is interesting. Retail sales, excluding autos, was up 0.1. So autos is actually really, oh, wait, no, that was commerce. U.S. May retail sales, excluding autos and gas, up 0.4%. The U.S. import price index was negative 0.6%. So the prices at which we are importing goods to the United States is coming down, which is interesting. And that is kind of what we've seen over here. So US, yeah, that's really it. So team, this is going to be a very interesting day on the SPY. If we decide to knife into oblivion, we know that we have that 431.73 level down here on the daily that we could come back down and touch. That's the August 2022. That's the August 2022 high. Applejacks, what up, buddy? How you doing? Welcome, team. As you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys slap the shit out of the like button. It helps out a whole lot with the algorithms over here. I would appreciate it. Let's get it going, team. Let's have an amazing day, huh? Let's have another amazing day. I was playing with a little something on futures yesterday too, so I might try to start doing that a little bit. It's interesting. I'm excited for it. It'll be fun. Auto and construction, biggest influences on retail sales numbers, both likely finance sales. Yeah, agreed. Good morning, team. Good morning, everybody filtering in. This is going to be fun. TLT is ripping here, though. TLT is really ripping, so yields are coming down. This could be a little flight to bonds a little bit here, huh? A little rotation into bonds, what we're seeing in the pre-market here. That is a little interesting. What happened with yesterday's one-on-one video? Can't open it. Yeah, I had to delete it, and then I will re-upload it for you guys later today. So after I do some stuff to it, I will re-upload it to you guys as a video a little bit later today. So again, make sure that you guys are coming live to them. I mean, the ones in the future will all be left live. This one, I had to, I downloaded it, so I got to delete it, change a little thingy on it, and then we're good to go. But yeah, that'll be fun. But yeah, Tor, shout out to Tor coming on for the first one-on-one in the live interactive curriculum series that we are doing for you guys in Masterclass. I know a lot of you guys were able to get a lot of value from that. We're going to keep doing those every single week so that you guys know exactly what you need to be doing every single day when you approach the market. That is just one of the many amazing benefits of Masterclass. So I'm going to try and hit all of you guys, every single one of you guys in these midweek Masterclasses. I'm going to try to get to each and every one of you guys. It might take a few years, but we are going to try to get to all of you. TLT Leap helping your KRE. Yeah, there you go. Morning, Vix. What up, Paul? How you doing? All right, guys. Let's have a day, huh? Nancy fucking around. AMD fucking around. Tessie down a lot. 3% here. That is very interesting. Was there news on Tesla that's selling this off, or is it just kind of saying, all right, well, we have more data coming out? Industrial production. Yeah. What other data do we have coming out today? Thursday, 10 a.m., business inventories, capacity utilization, and industrial production. So in about 10 minutes, we get a couple more data points. Let me just see if there's any news on Tesla. I don't think there was. That's not Tesla. This is Tesla news. Tesla hits 14.4, drops lower. A technical note. 57 minutes ago, Wedbush reiterates outperform on Tesla, maintains $300 price target. Interesting there. Thanks for having me. Fine-tuned your plan. Fuck yeah. Congrats, Tor. Great job. Welcome to the club. There we go, team. Yeah, we are going to be doing all of those one-on-ones in the live interactive curriculum with you guys. DM if you want to hop on one of them. Any of you guys will select one of you guys every single week. And remember... Oh, here comes Spy a little bit. And remember, the end of the month, guys, is your last chance to upgrade to Masterclass before those prices significantly increase. You've got about 2 weeks left. Time's running out. So if you want to hop in there at the very low price that it's currently at and lock in that price, make sure you guys do that before the end of the month. Let's see here. Yeah, TLT. Interesting. Tessie's starting to peak a little. Tessie's starting to peak a little. Let's see here. Anything useful on Twitter? Let's see. Yeah, I don't really, I'm just looking through Twitter right now. I don't see much. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got here. Tessie peeking. Tessie is a peeking. If you're on the fence, make the jump. Don't lurk. 1348 is amazing. My only regret is not joining when it first went live. Big City. Appreciate that, buddy. There you go. But yeah, I'll throw that link to you guys in the live chat here. Use code GAINZ, G-A-I-N-Z, and you guys all get your first month free. So we want to make sure the barrier to entry for you guys is super low so that you guys can actually come to the best place and learn to trade. So yeah, hop in, get your first month free, and then when you are ready, we will see you guys in Masterclass to take everything to the next level with you guys. But let's see here. Nancy moving. AMD down about 1.63, nothing too crazy, but yeah, it is slipping. Tessie looks like it wants to get a little jumpy here, but this thing could easily get sharked right back down off of this 250-50 level, the bottom of this little rate announcement move. Masterclass really is a game changer. Big City, it is. It is, man. There you guys go. Guys, I'm so happy that we were able to actually provide an avenue for you guys to take things a lot further. There's just certain things we necessarily can't go over with the new people in Market Talk and all the other things that we do. But yeah, going over them with you in Masterclass, we've seen a massive switch in your trading. It's awesome to see you guys printing so much. And again, the amount, we want to be able to keep that group at a relatively compact number, just because we want to be able to give you guys the personalized attention that you need. That's one of the reasons why prices are coming up. So we're giving you guys that last chance. We've been warning you guys for a while. So yeah, make sure you guys hop in before it's too late. But let's see. SPY. You made a journal, post a PDF in Gabe's laboratory. Take a look when you get a chance. I will. We could probably go over it in your one-on-one though, because that homework was due 2 Sundays ago. So I hit all of you guys. That was a lot of them to go through. I went through like fucking 60 of them and like I was sitting there for like 2 hours just like going through all of your guys' plans. But yeah, we'll fine tune them. We'll go over your trade logs and find a couple of those things that you guys are missing out on. I'll repost that first one-on-one with Tor for you guys to see. Let's see here. Oh, damn. You guys are ripping the like button today. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. 5 away from 50 already. We got about 7 minutes until another wave of data. This isn't going to be as market moving. Industrial production capacity utilization, we'll see that. And then at 10, we do get business inventory. So let's see what happens with the futures market today. I am very interested to trade some futures. Join Master. When do you get homework? Go back and look at some of the midweek master classes, Arvin. SVP putting in work like a 4th grade teacher? Yeah, I mean, I am. That's literally what I'm doing now. I'm basically your 4th grade teacher. Yeah, Arvin, go back to a couple of the midweek master classes. The 2 weeks ago is the one where I gave the first homework. Then the second homework is the next week. And then now we're starting the live interactive curriculum series. But again, once you guys hop in, you have access to all of the prior videos as well. And the live streams with Gabe. You've 3x'd your cash this month and you're still learning, and that's while doing your full-time job. Love you guys. Thanks for all your teachings. Big City. Fuck yeah, dude. I love seeing that. 3x'd? That is amazing. That is amazing, team. That's why we're the best, man. BlackRock is close to filing a Bitcoin ETF. Oh, that's interesting. That is interesting. Good morning, SV. Been Green Days only since Masterclass? Holy shit, Cody. That is awesome. Guys, I mean, look at this. You guys see the amount of success that people are having in Masterclass. Don't get left behind. Damn, you guys are out and about today, huh? All right, let's see. Dude, I paid taxes yesterday and I wanted to cry. It hurt so bad. I hate doing that. That was no fun. Damn, yeah, you guys are crushing it. Yeah, and for those of you guys that don't know how to upgrade, reach out to Diana in Market Talk. Just say, like, @Diana, and then I would like to upgrade. Or go to your subscriptions area on platform and just click Get Master, and you should be good to go. Let's see. All right, man. This is going to be an interesting day. Where's the SPY? Starting to try to... It's making that attempt up to that 3-minute 200 here. Oh, Tessie. Trying. It's making an attempt. TLT on a moon mission this morning, though. That's very unlike TLT. Taxes are better than jail, though. Yeah. Yesterday afternoon after your stream, YouTube switched me over to Total Amateurs. Yeah, bro. I mean, that's kind of... Well, guys, I told you. I hope you guys all realize this. I told you word for word what Powell was going to say at the meeting yesterday. I told you word for word. I'm seriously considering making a TikTok or YouTube series in which when we are approaching Powell, I make like a parody skit of me saying exactly what Powell is about to say the next day. I do this every time. Like, there was some dude that was trying to talk nonsense on TikTok about like, oh, this dude thinks he's smart. I am very smart. It's not hard to spot, guys. It's very, very simple. No rate hike, leaving the possibility open at future rate. I told you guys exactly what he was gonna say. Exactly. Let's see. AMD, little shark. All right, 3 minutes until another wave of data here. Let's see. Yeah, there's not many people out there that are gonna be able to show you guys that type of stuff. The DM I sent you yesterday about reverse repo treasury cash balance was telling about TLT. See, okay, I'd have to look at that a little bit deeper. Where is this? Which one? The bids for the 10-year notes? That was Monday. Yesterday. Are you talking about PPI? Oh, I found it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I wouldn't be using that as a barometer for setting off. Like, you can make a play on TLT, it's just not gonna be the big one. Like, I'm not looking for like a move on TLT. I'm looking for the move on TLT, if that makes sense. Everything was priced in already. No catalyst for a push up yesterday. Yeah, we were saying that, man. I mean, again, if you're gonna run up like that and the market is expecting no rate hike, that's probably what's about to happen. Smart enough to commit tax evasion and get away with it? Legal tax evasion I could do. I've got some people that I could call. I just, like, it's not, like they're dealing with, like multi-million dollar tax bills. I'm not. So, mine still sucks a lot. Don't get me wrong. It's not like it's like, oh, let's pay him 10 grand a quarter and say fuck off. No. It's a lot. Let's see here. Tax avoidance different than evasion? Yeah, I mean, I know some things that I could do and shit like that, but I just don't. It's like, it's not gonna save me that much. Oh, I look tired this morning. I need my 2 coffees. I'm ready to go, bro. I want this market to open. I want it to be 10 a.m. See where the market wants to go. Maybe take some ES trades. Let those ride. Those will be fun. You identify as tax exempt? That's what I identify as. If I'm going to play that silly game, the identifying game, I'm going to identify as tax exempt and filthy rich. That's mine right there. That's all we need. If we're going to play those games, that's what I'm identifying as. My pronouns are no tax. Boom. Done. Easy. Markets finally have a red day? Shocking. Hold on. Open a Roth? I can't. I make too much money. Let's see. I am above the Roth threshold. So, can't do that. It's an interest-based tithe. Baba? What's up with Baba? Baba's up. Where's JD? Ah, fuck. I sold the JDs yesterday. Damn it. Those are up like 100%. Darn. I ditched the JDs. We're playing chess and pronouns where they're playing checkers. Exactly, bro. I'm gonna select mine as and then they can't say shit. I identify as no tax. It's me. I'm no tax man versus the tax man who's evil. First world problems. Yeah. Move to Florida. I need to move. I need to move to Puerto Rico or Dubai is what I need to do. It's my money and I need it now. All right, let's see. Tessie moving. AMD coming back up. Nancy, what are we doing? Starting to move a little. SPY approaching the 3-minute 200 EMA. Let's see. SPY, nice little rally off that low there. Up $1.50 from that. All right, team. Again, you guys are slacking a little on the like button here. All right, I see what you're doing. There's about 100 of you guys that haven't hit it yet. All right. Okay. And we do have our second. Oh, I don't know if I want to say it. We do have some of our millionaires in here, our Trade 1348 millionaires, and I know there's going to be a couple more coming. My goal is 10. I want to make at least 10 millionaires. We've got 2. Singapore, I probably wouldn't do that. The place that I would go would be Puerto Rico for the tax purposes, and then like have a place in Miami too. So use all the tax. See, here's what I would do. I would save all the taxes, get a place in Puerto Rico, like an apartment or something, then also get a nice place in Miami. Because with the tax savings, I would just like, fucking, here it is. It's just easy. There it is right there. Nice apartment in Miami, and then just go back and forth. I even, at that point, if I wanted to, could probably take a jet over if I wanted, like with the savings. I don't think it's that far. Or like do one of those empty leg flights and just be like going back. Too bad you didn't have your AMD shares in an IRA when you qualified. Yeah, I know. But at the same time, I'm probably never selling it. So I would just take out loans against it if it gets really big. Yeah, that account is not tax advantaged at all. So that was silly, but you know, is what it is. It's still money. It's still money that my 17-year-old self printed out of thin air, so I'll take it. And it's taxed at long term too, so it's not the end of the world. It's like 15% of the gain. You have to stay out of the USA for 330 days a year. I don't think it's 330. I believe it's like 156 or something. It's like you only have. I think it's the same rules as like if you have a state. You just have to establish residency. We can get him to smuggle drugs into Miami for us. The drug smuggling was one time. It was an accident, and it was leaves. It was not an actual drug. Okay? Leave me alone. You have 20 Airbnbs? That's fucking epic. Kevin, that is awesome. I love that. I was thinking about doing that. But what I was also thinking about doing is buying a bunch of Section 8 properties. That sounds more interesting. Because then, here's why. Some of you guys in here might be like, you just want to be a slumlord. No. I would actually have nice places and screen the tenants well, and everything would be good. Why I want to do it is so that I can basically tell the United States government, fuck you, pay me. Because it's paid for by the United States government. So then even like, and then it's tax advantage. Yeah, and the cash flow is ridiculous. Leave me alone. I see what you did there. I didn't try to do that, but you guys caught it, so that's cool. You see the pic of the tower crane that got hit by lightning in Boston? Guys, if you were on the midweek masterclass last night, you saw the fucking lightning going crazy last night. Yeah, Section 8 is very lucrative. Yeah, there's a guy that I know. There's a couple guys that I know. Big real estate guys, but they got a lot of their start in Section 8. So I gotta start doing that. I make a joke to my friend. It's like, be a slumlord with me. Not actually. Like, I would never do that. It's not like... let's see. Guaranteed rent. Yeah, I mean, there's all sorts of shit you got to deal with. I mean, I've done pretty much... I know pretty much exactly what I need to do if I was going to do it. I just got to do it, you know? It was Mew. You turned on the lightning button? God damn, Arvin. Can you not do that next time? Yeah, and then, like, I would not be one of those people that's like, I'm going to try and manage it myself. No, no, no. Dude, I want it all outsourced. I don't care. Pay the man. It's the foreign tax income exclusion. The first 108K is tax-free. If you live outside the U.S. for 330 days a year, only applies to money made outside the USA. Oh, okay. I didn't know that. How much is Masterclass and where do you sign up? Right now, it is $13.48 every single year, but that price is going up at the end of the month. Once you are in platform with us, I'm not sure if you're already an existing Trade1348.com member. Once you are, remember, even if you're not, you get your first month for free. You go to your subscriptions area, you click Get Master, you can upgrade, you're good to go, then you relink your Discord account. If you're already in and you want a little bit more help, go to Market Talk and say, at Diana, I would like to upgrade to Master, and she will help you guys do that. You were trying to figure out how to send me a pic of it. If you guys ever want to send me pictures of stuff, that's appropriate. I don't want to see weird shit. Send it to me on Twitter. I'll see it there. Where's TLT? There's nightmares of all the low-income tenants. That's what you think. And if you just screen them, you're fine. Don't buy in a war zone. Don't screen a tenant that's like don't put a tenant in there that has a history of fucking up properties. It's not like this crazy complicated YOLO bet on a tenant. It's not. It's way more simple than everybody thinks it is, which is why a lot of people don't do it. And it's recession proof. It's pandemic proof. It's everything proof. That's why I like it. Are we locked in for the price when we paid, or will it go up next year when you renew? No, you guys are locked in. So if you guys want to hop in, you guys have, what, until the end of the month to lock in this low price on Masterclass. Can you send a pic of an iguana that you don't have? Not really. I don't want to see a random picture of an iguana, if I'm being honest. Screening doesn't always work. Well, you gotta be very careful. Like, here's how you do it. You just call prior landlords. You call prior landlords. And the other thing that people don't realize, too, is you have so much leverage as a Section 8 landlord. Because of the amount of demand for this. Why are we talking about HUD right now? Like, okay, so you have so much leverage in the way, and, like, it's so hard to get one of those vouchers that if things start to go really wrong, the threat of losing the voucher is terrifying. Because you can't, like, once your social security number gets blacklisted if you screw up the property or you violate, like, the Section 8 rules. So they don't listen to you. You just call the HUD people and be like, hey, man. Yeah, that's how you do it. There's other things that you can do, too, that are kind of crazy, but I don't know. You visit the houses the tenant lives in. You could do that, too. But then you have to think to yourself, okay, is this the landlord's fault, the tenant's fault, things like that. Remember, guys, I have a minor, I think, in real estate. I don't know. Plenty of software out there to do the screenings for you. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, I've been saying this for like the last fucking 2 years that I need to start getting into real estate, and I just still haven't done it yet because I got so much shit going on. All right, let's see. We got 5 minutes to go until the ding ding. Guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. How's the data? It's fine. It's fine. Hopping over to Gabe's stream. There you go. There you go. Masterclass members. I mean, you guys have seen what Gabe's been able to make in a day. You guys saw the 50K to start the week. You've seen the $270,000 days, and you guys can watch him trade every single day as a part of Masterclass. So there you go. Jared Kushner's or someone? Do you live in New York? Do you live in New York? Is that what this is? Let's see. Choosing higher cap for bigger headaches isn't always the way, but okay, starting out. Yeah, can I get a charge point? Dude, I haven't done that in a while. Your trading partner scooped up 11K of Mullen yesterday. Now he's crapping his pants because it's down another 20% in a day. He's a fucking idiot. Why would you buy Mullen? It's a piece of garbage. Here's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna start causing problems. There's a DTCC building here, and I'm warning you guys here because it's gonna be hilarious on Twitter. I'm gonna take a picture of the sign that's out front of the building, and I'm gonna say, on my way to go pick up my $50 million check for telling you guys stocks were gonna crash before they did. That is gonna be the picture. AMD pop. Oh, here we go. And just start causing emotional damage. Just letting people know who the real boss is. I can sit here and tell you word for word what Powell is going to say a week before he says it. It's time to save everybody, bro. Like, come on. And we do that every single time. Every time. I'm going to get like a little podium, and then I'm going to do the Powell speech. Good afternoon. You got my back? I don't give a fucking awesome. Let's go. I'm down. You can be right next to me watching me just fucking like going for it. Just causing emotional damage. It's time. Hey. All right. 2 minutes to go until the ding ding. Here we go. Tessie slipping. Nancy looking all right. AMD looking all right. Let's see what we got here. All right, guys. 13 likes away from 100. Thank you. Those of you guys that haven't hit it on the way in yet, make sure that you guys do that. And you all get your first month for free on trade1348.com with code GAGE. Yeah, Nature's Barista. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with your trading partner, but he's going to lose all of his money. Like, you can't even go to a bar with your brother because we're hotheads. See, that I don't like. That, I just tell people that I fucked their dad, and then they usually leave me the hell alone. Like, I just start saying shit to people because, like, at the certain point, like, nobody's really going to do much to me. That is one of my random skills. I've been boxing since I was 8, Muay Thai for a bunch of years, Jiu-Jitsu as well. Like, there's not much that some dickhead in a bar is going to be able to do. And I like to keep that low-key. I don't really fucking, like, I'm not out here just trying to just, like, spark dudes at a bar. You know what I'm at the bar for? Talk to girls and hang out with the boys. I'm not here to, like, start fucking rolling around in the street with some dickhead. That's not what I'm trying to do on my Friday night. Simply Emily, let's go, guys. Protect the port. Let's do it. Let's do it, team. Here we go. Tessie. Ouchie! 15 seconds. Target's treating you nice? Nice, bro. What other levels we got on Tessie here? 4 hour. It's not looking good on stress law. All right, ding, ding, ding. Market open. Let's see what we got. That did not go as planned. Let's see. Where's Spy? Spy peeking. Microvision? MVIS? That's probably garbage, man. And garbage. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Spy's 70 cents away from going green. Nancy looks interesting. AMD not having any fun down here. Right at these lows, though. What the? How in the fuck? Let's see. Morning, gang. What up, team? How we doing? Oh, Tessie with some movement there. I said I was roofied. Yeah, last summer I got roofied. I mean, I don't think it was an actual roofie. It was like a whatchamacallit. It's probably, they probably like slipped me a Xanax or something. Let's see. Spy try, if it can get a candle close above this 3-minute 200, that could get interesting. Where's the 5-minute 200? Yeah, it's right there too. Yeah, Reese, you have to link your TradingView account to platform, and then you get access to everything. AMD, Knifeville, right at a level here as well. Let's see. Just check Twitter, see what's going on. Come on, don't be glitchy today. Yeah, same deal with Tessie. If Tessie can get above its 3-minute 200 there, that could get interesting. Oh, I kind of like all this. Where's this fucker? That's not what I wanted. I had PayPal in my head. We can look at yeah, PayPal Shark there. Where's Palantir? It's in the 14s yet? No. Let's see. see here. All right, guys. 9 likes away from 100. Keep smacking that on the way in if you guys haven't already. Helps get these streams out to a couple more people here. Tessie really trying to get above this 3-minute 200 here. Still early, man. Still very early. Yeah, AMD getting fucked around. New lows on AMD. Do I trade Walmart? Every once in a while, but it's at its... There's no way Walmart's at an all-time high. No way. With the Target shit, it had to have gotten some bullshit with Target. Is it really at an all-time high? No. It's close. 160.77. It's getting there. Did SPY crack yet? No. Tessie trying to crack. AMD getting molly-whopped. Let's see. Nvidia sharking. Yeah, near all-time high. Here comes the SPY. Come on. Come on! What's the level on... Yeah, 251.90 is where it's got to get above. So it's got some ways to go here in order for this thing to really confirm a nice little break. Coming down. SPY looking all right, though. SPY's 60 cents away from going green. QQQ duking out the 1 minute 200. Interesting. Yeah, there goes SPY new high. KRE's pumping? Is it? Is it now? Hello. Hello. Let's see what we get here. UCAR, good long? No. Why? Don't bring up... Yeah, stop talking about penny stocks, please. They're kind of bullshit. Or it's not a penny stock, right? Or is it? UCAR? Isn't that the one that everybody got fucking rug pulled on because it's a piece of shit? Yeah, I don't like this. No. No. This thing's garbage. Yeah, SPY peeking. Tessie trying to make a move. AMD pulling up a little. Where's KRE? KRE, like, really needs to go. But these have so much time on them that it doesn't really matter. There goes Tesla. There she goes. You grab Micron calls on the retest? Nice, man. Hopefully that works out for you. Nancy's only down 0.8 now. AMD's still down 2. SPY ripping. We do have a little data at 10. Okay. I don't like how this is like my computer's being slow. I don't like that. How's the range today? How's ES? Like, what are we looking at here? From open? 4407. So, little under 10-point range so far. Let's see. Okay. Stops and profit, easy money. There you go. Amanda, hello. All right, let's see what we get here. Yeah, that's aggressive on ES here, man. I mean, that's just like, since 934, it's just straight up. Straight up! Let's see. SPY juicing. SPY is juicing. CCL pumping up again on the swings. Dude, some of you guys fucking love the swing CCL. I've seen that so much when you guys just start blasting that stock. You guys kill it. Yeah, Tessie new high. AMD trying to move back higher a little here. Quick 3K on ES. Good shit, buddy. There you go. There you go, man. Oh, I love seeing you guys fucking around with the futures. It's fun, isn't it? It's fun, isn't it? There you go, team. Quick 3K on ES. All right, guys, we are 5 likes away from 100. Those of you guys that are still slacking, make sure you guys hit that like on the way in. Just got stopped out 22%. Too easy. Good shit, bro. The only problem with all these stocks running is that if SPY just dies from here. Yeah, you're setting up a nice little range. I don't hate this. $11.6% on the port for the day. Thanks, QQQ. At a boy, winning loser. Good shit, team. Oh my god, you guys are crushing it. Trade 1348 gang for the win. As usual, bro. Let's see. Here we go. New highs on the SPY. Dude, if Tesla goes green from here, that would be insanity. It wants it. Look at her go. Dang, I wanted more Tesla on there. I couldn't get it. Let's see. SPY just pumping, man. SPY is just pumping. I don't know if this is going to be a morning session for ES for me. I don't think it is. I mean, unless it tanks. Which, it could. You do have pre-market high at 442525. Actually, where's that from? Why is that up here? Where's this from? What is this? What the fuck is that? Is that open? No, that can't be a high. That doesn't make any sense. What the fuck is that? Yeah, I don't know what that is up here. 98 checking in. There you go, team. Keep smacking that on the way in. Let's see. SPY is just elevated, bro. Okay. Big candles on AMD. Where? Down? Well, no, just in general. Yeah, in general, big candles on AMD. ES cooked on all time frames except 1 hour for some reason. Yeah, that's because of Powell. Dude, YouTube is glitching so hard right now. It is hilarious. SPY new high. Look at this fucker go. I'm starting to get this weird feeling I shouldn't have hopped out at SPY at 437 level. But hey, 20% is better than 0%, 100%. You're up 28% on the day, Ben. Holy shit. You added volume surcharge? Yeah, I have volume on these. I just don't know why there's this level here on Ninja on ES at 442525. That usually marks out a high or a low, but there isn't one. So maybe hold on. Let me refresh this. They're going to make me log in, I think, again. Because I didn't have to log in this one. No? Let me see if it refreshes and gives me a... Yeah, I know. No, it's still there. That's so strange. SPY is pushing, but not a lot of other things are. So that's interesting. You're at 3.86%. I'll leave it for the day. There you go. If Tessie breaks this weird pre-market level here, 254.38, which I believe is the nonsense candle. Yeah, that's the 8 a.m. bullshit candle. Tessie hunting new highs. Let's see if it gets it. See if it gets it. Dude, SPY is on a fucking mission. Look at this. This thing might get to fucking 440. Tessie still hasn't broken. What is moving this? Is Apple going? 441075 is the top of the hourly candle on ES. Yeah, but I know, but why is 44 on Ninja? Why is 44 and it tapped it perfectly? Why is 442825? Oh no, it moved it, so it broke it. So there's a new high, but that was a weird level to have there. I mean, Apple is running here. So, but Tesla's not, AMD's not, Nvidia's not really. If they start to go, SPY's gonna go nuts. No, it's not even on TradingView. It's just on Ninja. Let's see. Dude, they brought back the buy one get one free burrito deal that I was taking advantage of. Nancy Shark, AMD Shark. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, there's a hair in my coffee. That's a problem. Apple was here at open trade. Very easy risk reward. Nice. There goes Tessie new high. SPY is just taking every level here. It's just saying, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Holy Tesla move. There you go. At Chipotle? No, it's at a it's at like a random spot. They're pretty good. I mean, yeah, now this range is huge. Now you've got 4407 to 4430. Yeah, okay. Len and other home builders blowing through all-time highs. Is Home Depot running? Tessie ripping. Is HD moving with that? A little bit, nothing crazy. I want to get a short opportunity on this because this is fucking ridiculous. Tesla, a little bit of a pullback there. This is nuts, bro. This thing is just saying, this is, okay. I said this to Gabe yesterday. I don't know if I said it to you guys. I think it's very possible at this point that the market just disregards Powell. And this is kind of the showcase of that, because I don't think the market is really going to expect Powell to be all that hawkish going into the end of the year. Yeah, we might get one more rate hike. Cool. Is it going to be 2? I doubt it. Which I think is what the market's expecting as well. You're playing the 4-hour time frame swing to the downside on the SPY. Let's actually take a look at that. There is no 4-hour time frame swing to the downside on the SPY. What you are looking at here is a rim of the 13 on the 4-hour, and you are YOLOing it down. That is very, very, very risky. So, careful. Could it come down? Yeah, but that doesn't really follow any rules. Don't gamble. Seriously, stop gambling in the market. Tesla's like 0.5% away from going green. That's hilarious. Look at this thing. Let's see. SPY just saying, fuck it, YOLO. All right, let's see what we're looking at here on ES on the 1 minute. There's nothing, I can't do anything with this. I seriously don't think I can take I don't think I can responsibly take an ES trade off of this. Yeah. We'll see what we get, but this is ridiculous. It's literally just SPY and like Apple. Home builders going. SPY is ripping, dude. This is great. This is hilarious to watch. Let's see here. When does Len report earnings? I don't know. Looks like your 3K could have been 15K. Oh my God. Yeah, but you can't really look at it like that. Like, that's, you can't really say, oh, yeah, that, like, try not to look at the market that way. All right, Tessie, 1 minute rim. SPY slowly moving down here. Chips going down. Yeah. Are you seeing where the rotation is? Nvidia, AMD, JP Morgan, all red. I don't see the rotation. Yeah, it looks like, hold on, where's KRE? Sort of. Apple is ripping. Let's look at the heat map. Let's look at the heat map. All right, let's see. Healthcare and oil. UNH is up 1%. Exxon, Chevron, all those are up. Amazon, Tesla down, Google down, Nvidia down, AVGO down, Microsoft slightly up, Apple up. Let's look at some of the energy plays. What's Oxy doing? .66. Where's Exxon? It looks like energy. Yeah. Target's up. Target's up. I mean, the heat map's delayed, but it said it was up 2. Yeah, Target's up about 2%. AMD right back up. Nancy sharked, and AMD just got a pop. That's interesting. Farm and yeah, it looks like healthcare and energy. Okay. That's a bit tight, but okay. Is Market Watch economic calendar Eastern time? Yes. Yeah, so we do have what is it? Is it business inventories? What is it? Yeah, business inventories at 10. Oh, my computer is just saying fuck myself this morning. Come on, bro. All right, 2 minutes until 10. I am looking at ES here for a trade. I've got something in mind. What does it mean if SPY put premiums are juiced higher than calls? Well, it means that more people are looking for this thing to come down. So VIX should be, if that's the case, VIX should be heading higher. It's up 1.37%. At 14. Am I still swinging JD? No, I sold it yesterday at like 100%. Bro, what is this market? I wish I was. I wish I kept it. I had a little bit left. I sold it at like 100% yesterday. You only took a nice AMD scalp, netting me 2% on the port. Still waiting for some more setups. There you go, man. Don't overcook it. Do not overcook it. And again, team, keep smacking that like on the way in. And for all of you guys sitting on the sidelines, everybody gets their first month free to the trade1348.com platform, the absolutely best place for retail investors to come and learn to trade. And that's just not because I'm saying it, because I teach you guys and own it. It's because we are the only place that is able to make millionaires. I mean, I've never seen anybody else showcase and do interviews with their millionaire members. So again, you guys want to come to the best place to learn? It's free for an entire month. KRE looks healthy. How's it looking? Yeah, the KREs are looking all right. Actually, the spreads are just still absolutely horrendous, but the The shares are looking good. SPY new high there. All right, 10 a.m. Here we go. Here we go. 10 a.m. You got a nice little pop candle shooting above those highs. Let's see what this thing wants to do now. This is going to be a waiting game for me. I may not do anything with ES. I mean, I want to, but this thing is just such a monster that I don't know. My Palantir leaps are flat. Like, yeah, this is just going to be a waiting game, I think. Here, SPY starts moving down. A little bit, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. How many millionaires we have now? Last count was 2. I think we're still at 2. I think we are still at 2, unless the other people just didn't say anything, which is entirely possible because I've seen your guys' gains over the last few months. It's ridiculous. I think it's the forecast Powell gave for end of the year inflation. Could be. KRE new highs. Nice. Tessie ripping. SPY ripping. This is nuts, dude. This is craziness. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like on the way. This is nuts. If Tessie breaks... If Tessie goes green from here... Yeah, that was just a nice little 1-minute rim. This would be epic. Let's see here. Up 40% on PayPal. Good shit, dude. There you go. There you freaking go, man. Dude, good shit, team. Alright, let's see what we got here. I'm just hunting for an ES trade and I'm not getting it. I mean, I'd have to take it down. I'm not going long on ES here. What am I? Tessie broke. Broke. Jesus. This is insanity. Boyle is pumping with EU natural gas prices up 75% from... Yeah, I've been looking at that. I have been looking at that. So Tessie finally started to get a little bit of a... Yeah, new high. So, just for transparency, I have a bunch of Tesla calls that expire in July that I am up about 8% on. I scaled out yesterday, and then when it came back down, I bought more. I have a scale out here set. If it hits that, that would be pretty epic if it did. Then I get to scale out again. So let's see. I also have some other stuff. TUH the ES? You can't TUH the ES. Next level to the upside on SPY? I mean, 440. 440, bro. Yeah, I'm 30 cents a contract away on Tessies to get my scale out. Let's see if it's going to get there. My Palantirs went slightly green. My KREs are basically green. So, let's see. Up like 9% on Tessies. So, I like this trade. We'll see what happens with it. That is a shark candle on ES. Scaling out. I just sell portions of the trade. I just sell a little bit. No. Took some gains back with Apple. There you go. Hey, ARC is negative? Really? Really? Bro, if Tesla breaks this high and shoots a little, I mean, I might get my scale out. Thank you, SCV, for all you do for the community. Bruce White, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. VIX 1 day is down 29%. Jesus. Bruce, I appreciate you, buddy. What's the blue pill line? It's just levels. It's just, we call it the blue pill line. Dollars below 102.50. Interesting. Tessie, what in the... Tessie, popping. If this keeps going, I might get my scale out. I think it's like a 15% scale out. Probably I'm up 10% on Tessie right now. Jesus Christ. Go. Go, buddy. We might see 440, dude. Yeah, I don't have an exact level. I'm just saying 440 is like a psychological level. Dude, this is ripping. Go. Just fucking pump it. AMD's falling. AMD is just chopping down here at these lows. It's not, I wouldn't say that that's falling. It's just chopping. Using this level as support. It's about to start thigh gapping on the 5-minute though. ES isn't giving me shit. So we'll see. It still can. I mean, that's a new high on ES. The holy spy. Oh my god. I'm 15 cents a contract away of the Tessie scale out here. That'd be nice if it hits. Be great if it hits. Sorting Sin, you'd probably up like 20k now if you held the whole thing. Palantir's pumping. Good. I'm up 5% on my leaps. Sweet. Sweet. I like Palantir. I liked it more in the 14s, but again, fine with this. Actually, they wouldn't even be considered leaps. Fun fact, I fat-fingered the Palantirs and got the wrong expiration date. Yeah, now I'm 10 cents away from a Tessie scale out. Here we go. Come on. Come on, gimme. NQ's red on the day. That would make a little bit of sense, but not all that much. Tessie, if this thing runs to 258, I'll probably get my scale out. Yeah, so I actually wanted, I believe, the July contracts on Palantir, but I have the March ones. So it's not the end of the world. I still like them, but whatever. Do you think Tesla will ever come down more? Eventually, but this thing's just been such a fucking beast. And I'm a little bit... I'm not revenge trading it. I'm avenging my poor decision of selling my fuckload of Tesla calls when I bought them in the 150s that expired in June with a strike of 185. So I'm a little bit upset about that. So making some money on Tesla here is fun. And I've already locked in some decent gains on it. So I'd like to get this scale out. If this happens, that would be really nice. But again, I still like the trade. So we'll see what happens here. Yeah, if this breaks, it'll probably do it. Yeah, come on. Bro, RSI is 80 on the SPY. Isn't that nuts? You got a large position of Palantir in your retirement account. Average buy-in was 8. Good shit, dude. Yeah, it's not doing it right now. Here comes SPY coming back down. I'm just waiting for the one, you know? Waiting for the one. Dude, ES 444075. That's ridiculous. Yeah, on Tesla for the scale out, I probably need 258. For your scale outs, you just setting stop losses or I just set limit orders. Usually. I just set limits. So if it hits the limit, cool. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm 8 cents away, 10 cents away. Breaks this high, I'll probably get it. 5 cents away, 3 cents away. Didn't get it there. That was close, though. That was very close. SPY getting ready to come back to Earth? It might. It might. It might. Let's see what we got. Palantir longs. Curious we added near the same time. We didn't. We definitely didn't. I did this like 2 days ago. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Dude, I wanted it in the 14s. And I just kept missing it. And I was like, fuck it. They're leaps anyway. I like it. Nancy marching back up. Nancy is marching back up here. I still need, in order to get that scale out on Tessie, I need 258. Or what was the height of this candle? Yeah, basically a break of 258 here is what I need. Those are up over 500%. Yeah. I'm not. Mine are, oops. My leaps are up. Right now, 9%. So those are looking good, though. Those are looking real good. I've still got nothing on ES. Nothing yet. Let's see if they pump this thing. No, they're letting it sell. Nope. Not giving it to me. Not giving it to me. That's fine. I mean, if I have to take an afternoon trade and just wait, that's perfectly fine with me. We're hitting a level from February 2022 on SPY at 439.60. Interesting. Got a bail and get ready for work. 1 for 3, only down $9 overall. That is a great way to manage risk, pal. Great risk management there. Let's see. I feel like we're gonna get that 440 tap. I mean the RSI is fucking cooked, but I feel like they still want to take this thing another 90 cents before they drop it. Who knows though? Who knows? Yeah, I've seen no real opportunity on ES here this morning for me, which is fine. Don't have to trade every single day. Green on the week. I don't have big levels on ES. I just like I look for very specific things and then drill it. Are you looking to the upside 4436? What time frame? I mean, we're at 4436. Ooh, Sharky on Tessie. Nancy holding all right here. AMD still getting mollywopped. Sharky Shark on Stressla. Let's see. Oh, 443950. I'll look at the hourly real quick. Yep, 443950 hourly level there. See, now it's just consolidating at the high, which I like. I mean, that sets up nicely for what I would potentially want to do with it. ES with shares? No. ES is futures. Futures. Just trading the futures. Not right now, I'm not, but... Tessie Sharkin. Nice little cool off there. My Palantirs are looking good, dude. Those are up like 10%. That's pretty sweet. Scale in time on ES? I'm not doing it yet. AMD just not having any fun today. That might be it. That's getting there. There we go. What the? Oh, there it is. Oh, that is so tight. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so fucking tight. The range on these things today, guys, is a bit nuts. It's a bit crazy. Okay. Let's do this. Let's see what this does. Here it comes back up. Let's see what this thing wants to do. Okay, let's see. What would that be? Right here. This thing is just moving, like, the range is so fucking big. It's terrifying. You're 3, yeah, new candle here. Here it comes. Let's see. Here she goes. Here she goes. Here she goes. Let's see. Dude, that was just, this is epic. Look at this thing go. Tessie back up. What about Oracle? Did this just rip in shark? That wasn't very nice. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, Oracle ripped. I wouldn't touch it now. Fucking look at that. That's what I was saying about the range. Like, the range. Look at this. This thing came down to 438.66. Ripped almost $1 and then tanked. Look at that. Right back down. Let's see what they do with this here. Couldn't break that high. TLT just keeps going. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Was that the bait and switch? That was more so a rim. They didn't really bait it. Like, it didn't even come down. Like, on the 3-minute, they didn't bait it. On the 1-minute, you might have seen a little bait and switch. Yeah, that was a little bit of a 1-minute bait and switch, but this thing still looks like it wants to get killed. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, this thing is teeter. It has to come up and break at least this high and then attempt this one in order to continue to be bullish, because if it's not, this thing's just gonna roll over. Bro, I need Tesla breaking this. Breaks that, I get my skill out. Yeah, I don't hate that. And I'm not. That's fine. Let's see. Come on, Tessie. Nancy doing nothing. AMD getting fucked. 5-minute thigh gapping, though. That's interesting. Come on, Stressla. Get your butt up there. Let's see. AMD just hates its life. Tessie's trying. Coming up to these levels here. 257.30. Yeah, I'm 20 cents away again from the Tessie scale out. My Palantir leaps are up 10, 11% right now, though. That's epic. That's epic. Careful for those of you that hunt for a big reversal. It might just flag and continue. I agree with you. That's what we're looking at here. So in the afternoon, you might get a nice clean move down if it holds up here. If it breaks this high, oh, we're off to the races, bro. To 440. Look at this. Here we go. What are these stressies at? Yeah, 10 cents away on the scale out. I'm so close, man. Just give me my scale out at like 15%. Let's go. 8 cents, 10 cents, 8 cents. Yeah, it is retesting the highs here. ES is too. ES, if it breaks this level right here at, what is this? It's like this. There it goes. Tesla. Come on. What is that? Come on, Tessie. Let's do it. Give me my little scale out so I can take some money off the table. Dollar at 102.36. You'll need that to recover to stabilize before any reversals. Agreed. Oh, come on, bro. Really? So you wicked the high. Yeah, I think I'm just going to wait for any more ES trades in the afternoon. I need 258. This. Boom. Hit 258 and I get my scale out. I saw the contracts get like 2 cents away from my scale point. Yeah, these Palantirs are cruising. The KREs are basically flat, but that's the spreads being assholes. Yeah, you got to see what happens if it breaks 440. Like, if it breaks and shoots, this could just be CTAs just buying the fuck out of it. Back from Masterclass, Gabe is on fire today. Of course he is. Oh, welcome back, Masterclass. Yeah, guys, again, make sure that you guys are hopping into Masterclass before the end of the month, because that is when the prices are significantly increasing, and you get to lock in your price if you get in before then. So make sure that you guys are on that if you are interested, because Masterclass is going to completely change the game for you. And all of you guys sitting on the sidelines there's the link. Use code GAINZ GAINS when you are checking out to get your first month completely for free to the normal monthly membership. All right. 15 cents away on this fucking Tessie. Nope. It's fucking doing this. Come on. Spot, ES slipping, SPY slipping. Tessie getting fucked. Let's see what it wants to do here. You got 30 seconds left on this 1 minute candle. They're holding it. Fuck you, bro. Really? It's that tight? Yeah, here comes down. Okay. Let's see what we get here. Here comes the slippage. All right, let's see what we get. Let's see. We're getting a reversal. It's very close. It is very close to showing reversal. It's like really, really on the edge. I think it needs one more pop, like just come back up in these ranges here, and then boom, dead. Wait. No. Oh. Wait, can I do math? No, I suck at math. That makes a lot more sense. Wait. Hold on. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, let's see. Long-term investments. If you're up 20% on your Apple investment, do I hold long? It's just smarter to think about selling it. Here's what you have to think about long-term investments. You probably shouldn't buy something that you're thinking about ever selling. Okay, so it's holding this 13 here. Dude, this thing wants to just get killed. Or that's what it looks like. If it gets a pop, I might do something. Can I show you how thigh gap signals? It's been on the screen the entire time. So, there's no alerts on thigh gap. But I've shown you guys thigh gap multiple times when I take the thigh gap trades. Netflix is running right now? That's interesting. Oh, are they gonna miss me on this? I think they are. I think they might. That would suck if I missed that one. Teetering. That's a candle close below the 13 on the 3-minute. That is interesting. Here it goes. Here she go. Bro, you're not going to give me that? You're not giving me that? Oh, that's so rude. That is so rude, bro. I wanted some ES shorts there, and they wouldn't give it to me. They wouldn't come back up and tap me in. Denmark closed natural gas field for ESG. That is interesting. Yeah, SPY getting killed here. There it is. There's the move. So, let's see what this looks like on the 5. Right at the 5-minute 13. Yeah, that's like fucking 7 points away from where I wanted it. Tessie's still holding strong here, man. I mean, it's not giving it up that much. Day high break on SPY stopped you out. Rules are rules. Yep, they're there for a reason. They are there for a reason. All right, SPY moving back up. Let's see. Where is this? Ah, that looks very bait and switchy. Yeah, I don't like this, man. I just don't. I don't think I'm gonna take this move down, even if it comes back up and retests. All right, Tessie's losing it a little. Again, I still need that Tessie scale out. If it gives it to me. If not, it's perfectly fine. I wonder if it's going to do it here. Okay, that is where I wanted to enter. So the order's not there, so I didn't get it filled, but let's just see what happens. I don't really like this price action right now. It's kind of freaky, not going to lie. Kind of freaky. I don't want to be out here just chasing reversals. I'd rather just trade the afternoon session after things settle down a little bit, because this is kind of crazy. So this is the retest. Let's see what it wants to do here. Let's see. Yeah, I did, Ryan. That was good. 1.5% of the day with ES. See you guys tomorrow. There you go. There you go. Yeah, I'm hunting for it. I'd rather just trade the afternoon move. This is just a little bit too nuts. Like, you've ripped, you've chopped around, you've flashed it, you've came back up. Do you adjust my limit order when I buy? No. If I need to get on options, I will. On ES, usually not, because I'm looking at very, very specific levels. I'm super picky with ES. Yeah, that would have been a little top tick here, but let's see. Dude, if this thing rips to new highs here, that would be fucking insane. I mean, go for it. Like, I don't, it's not like I have a bunch of calls. I'm loaded, bro. Let's see. How far am I away from the scale out now? 40 cents. 35 cents. Here she goes on the SPY. Tessie's not having fun here. Like, this thing has been thigh gapping into oblivion since here. AMD getting fucked. It's coming back up now, but nothing too crazy. Like, dude, I swear, if this breaks the high, I mean, you could look at this and be like, head and shoulders, but that's not what I'm going to be doing. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in, and make sure, again, all you people filtering in here, you're getting your masterclass spot before the end of the month, and hopping in for your first month free if you're not even in yet. I couldn't imagine not using thigh gap, traffic lights, Invictus, and all those other things, man. I mean, Invictus has been absolutely on fire recently. On fire. Wrong cup. Tessie with a little movement. AMD trying, but it's still fucked. 3.6% up on the port. Done for the morning. Check back in this afternoon. There you go. 20%, 26% on the large account today. Jesus. Boyle, UNH, and of course TLT and KRE. Good shit, buddy. Let's see. Yeah, see, it looks like it has the juice. Like, I don't want to be shorting this thing until potentially later in the afternoon. That's what this looks like. It does not look like it wants to make that clear-cut move to the downside. We'll see, but that's bait and switch right there. So, buyers are stepping up. Let's see what they want to do. If they push this, so you're about 3 points away, a little bit less, 2.75 from breaking the high on ES. This thing could just go whoop. Here comes Dressel again. And again, I am 20 cents away from that scale out. 15. Here we go. My Palantirs are up 9.5. That's pretty good. Oh, there goes Spy Break. See, dude? That's what I'm saying. It just ripped the high. I don't trust this. I just don't. This is a crazy day. I don't trust much of this. I mean, I'm just riding these calls and just be like, all right, we'll see. The only thing that I could responsibly do on ES is look for shorts. I'm not gonna long and scalp the fuck out of it and run up the fees. Like, that's insanity. All right, Tessie at 257. I need 258 around in order to get that. What did this hit? 439.85 got met with aggressive selling. Okay. Let's see if it can break through. Dixie and Boyle as early. Yeah. Yeah, they do. AMD trying. If you can get above that 13, that would be interesting. I am up a whopping 0.5% today. Oh, 0.6. There you go. It's flying around. I don't know. Let's see what happens if I potentially get these guys. Fucking Tesla, what are you doing? Just go. You want to see me till Monday? You're going to be camping? There you go, man. Have fun. Have fun with that. And Tessie, you sharked. Nancy, come on. Let's get going here. Bring Amanda up with you. Get up to these 200s and chill. Tesla, mollywopped. It's just chopping around in this range. I wouldn't even... I probably wouldn't short this here just because of the juice that the spies had on it. Like, this thing could come back down here, test, and blast off to new highs. This looks now like a bait and switch day, but we will see. Let's go camping. Do you trade your leaps and longs in the same account as scalping? Yeah. Yeah, I don't separate it like that. Oh, you mean like shares? No. Leaps? Yes. I thought about, hold on. That's not the one. I want this one. I thought about this after Tate fucking had like 500,000 concurrent viewers on his stream. When's their earnings? And how does this look? Earnings on when? 30th. Traffic light retest. 200. 4 hour. How's this look? 4 hour looks a bit shitty. You do have risk at the 200 though. Spy shark here a little bit. This is just screaming bait and switch chop until potentially the afternoon. Okay. Is there another opportunity here? Yeah, kind of is. Kind of is. It's late. Yeah, I'm going to wait until the afternoon. I don't like this. Just the way that it's moving. I mean, this, you can kind of see the sellers stepping up, but they're not cracking it and continuing the trend lower. Like, it's just rimming and bait and switching. So maybe we get the move and I miss it. That's perfectly fine, but I'll hunt for the afternoon move. AMD on the struggle bus? It is on the struggle bus, dude. Look at this thing. It needs to break this 13 candle close and then whoop. I mean, you could technically just play fucking rims on this thing. Tessie's just flatlined. Let's see what we get here. Right back up. Dude, we could see a nasty afternoon sell-off. Like a nasty one. Stop set. Time to go golfing. Have a great day. Wreck-It Ralph. You too, buddy. You too, man. Tesla, Spy, okay. Spy on the bang bus? I don't know about that. I don't know if that's what I would call this. I would just call this, it's on a moon mission. I wouldn't call it the bang bus. It's a bit aggressive there. Tessie, why do you have to be such a fucker? I mean, if you were looking at this, technically it is flagging. So volume starts to step back up on this thing. I mean, it's just ripped, consolidated, decline. If you're looking at volume in the typical retail way to look at it, rip, consolidate, declining volume, volume steps back up, break some of these highs, boom. That would potentially be what we're looking for. AMD just looks like it's on the fucking struggle train. Nvidia looks okay. Spy is just bait and switch land here. Apple made very nice moves today. Yeah, I typically don't trade Apple, but yeah, congratulations to all you guys that hit it. That's a good one. Oh, yeah, I am going to do that funny picture, though, for Twitter and piss everybody off just for fun. Because it's I want to see how fucking crazy they lose their minds. Let's see. Rumble hit 10. Oh, dude, I'm back to being 25 cents away on Tessie. Come on. I just want to scale out a little bit. Like, I'm fine holding it. I like this trade. It's basically off of these lows yesterday. So, like, I was in here. Whoop. Uh-oh. Whoop. And here we go, bait and switching. Let's see what we got. Did AMD finally do something useful? No, not really. Not really. It needs that break above this 13 on the... Oh, this is the 5 minute. Ah, yeah, it needs the break of the 13 on the 5. Did it do it on the 3? It's hunting for the break on the 3. That's interesting. So you got 2 minutes left. Yeah, this looks interesting. Come on, stress law. Oh. I'm going to have to do some scaling out today. That's mandatory. You holding it to the upside? Tesla? Yeah. I'm up 10% on them. Now 8. Now 9. Now 9.3. Now 8.95. I just want my scale out. That's all I want. Because I scaled out yesterday on them. I just want another scale out. That's all I want, bro. I don't know if they're going to give it to me. And AMD is just being useless. He's just being useless over there. Oh, sick. Wait, how does that work? Oh, the spreads. The spreads. Bro, I've just, over the last week, I've just decided to trade things with just fucking awful spreads. KRE, I got this other thing working right now that should be actually pretty good. It's just not, like, the spreads are just terrible on it. Like, I was providing the bid, and then they filled it, and now I'm just getting, now the spreads are just like, haha, fuck you. Alright, let's see what we get. Come on, Stressy. This volume is just dying. It's dying. Just boop. One big green volume candle and this thing will probably shoot. It could always tank. Like, it could just be, like, big volume in the other direction. I'm 28 cents away on a fucking Tesla scale out. Now 30 cents. If SPY rips up, breaks the highs, I might get it. I just want my phone call. Just give me my phone call. That's all I want. My phone call. Do you want to know how I got these scars? My Joker isn't that good. It's really not. My Janet Yellen impression is way better than my Joker. I just want my phone call. Let's see. Here comes SPY again. Overtime today? Oh, fuck. It's 11. All right, guys. It is 11 o'clock. That is going to be wrapping it up for me today. Remember, team, everybody gets their first month free to trade1348.com. For those of you guys that are not in Masterclass yet, the clock is ticking. It actually is good. Oh, thanks. Appreciate it. I'll work on it. I'll work on it. I can only, but with that, I can only like say things that like I've heard him say. Like I can't do the yell it. Like I couldn't do it like yelling where I say whatever the fuck I want. But guys, remember, if you're not in Masterclass yet, the clock is ticking. Make sure you guys hop in there before that aggressive price increase comes at the end of the month. But team, that's wrapping it up for me today. Happy Thursday. Hopefully you guys